this is Harvey Jai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this we're going to talk about the display of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is 2022 and we have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but still, what is special about the display of S20 Ultra? The display is total 6.9 inches, that is 89.9% skin to body ratio, resolution 1414 to 3200 pixel, that is 511 ppi pixel density, Gorilla Glass 6. Look how crystal clear this display is. And you don't see no body at all. We have camera hole here, you see how beautiful. You see the color, magnificent. This is my favorite video to see the color. Here you see. My god, you see the color, the red is red, green is green. I put maximum 4K resolution in this case. I will go back and open one 8K video. 8K nature here. You can see the color and the quality of 8K video. Wow, very magnificent, very vibrant. So this is display review of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.